Why is it so difficult to learn digital marketing? The truth is, it is not difficult. It takes time. The problem is that most people sell you the false promise of getting rich quick with a magic course. It's as if I told you, get to know the 30-day medical course to earn $20,000 a month as a plastic surgeon. If that sounds absurd to you, it's probably because you already know that you don't become a doctor in 30 days. Then why would you accept that one can become a digital marketing professional in 30 days? And digital marketing is not difficult, but it takes time and effort as any profession. You need to learn how it works and you gotta put it into practice. You need to take time and you need to study. You also have to understand digital marketing strategies and get to know the tools that you'll be working with. That is the price you will pay to pursue the profession that will pay you very well in the future. It is not difficult to dedicate 1 or 2 years to learn digital marketing. What is difficult is spending your whole life looking for something easy and profitable and eventually realizing years down the road that you're old and you're poor and you haven't achieved anything. 2 or 3 years of hard work can give you the best life. Just stay focused, dedicated, and keep believing in yourself.